In today's video, we are going to talk about the real number system. Now, in the real number system, we have natural numbers. And these natural numbers are being denoted by the letter N. So they consist of 1, 2, 3, 4, up to positive infinity. Now, the next number that we're going to talk about are whole numbers. Which is also being denoted by the letter W. And it also ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to positive infinity. Now, before I forget, natural numbers are also being called counting numbers. So natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. Okay. Now, the next number we're going to talk about are integers. Integers. Now, what are integers? Which is also being denoted, like integers are also being denoted by the letter Z. Yes, Z. And they also ranges, or they consist of numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then positive infinity. So these are integers. Now we are going to talk about rational numbers. Rational numbers. Now, what are rational numbers? These are numbers that can be written in the form a over b, where b is not equal to 0. So any number that can be written in the form a over b, where b is not equal to 0, is a rational number. Now let's look at some examples of these rational numbers. So we have 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, and a whole lot of other examples. So these are basically rational numbers. Now let's talk about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Now, irrational numbers are numbers that can be written, oh sorry, cannot, yes, the word is cannot, so they cannot be in the form a over b, where b is not equal to 0. So these are numbers basically that cannot be written in the form a over b, where b is not equal to 0. Now let's look at some examples of these irrational numbers. Example is the pi, the Euler, root 2, root 3, and all other imperfect squares are all examples of irrational numbers. Now let's now try converting these numbers into decimals. So when you punch the pi figure is equal to 3.14159 and then it continues. So like that, it continues to infinity. And the value for e or ELAB symbol is is 2. Okay, so it is equal to 2.71828. Okay, that continues also like that. Now the value for root 2 is equal to 1.414213. Okay, so 21356, and it also continues like that. Now let's check out for the value of root 3 from our calculator. Okay, so root 3 is equal to 1.7320500808. It also continues like that. So all these are the numbers called the irrational numbers. Irrational because they do not end. They will continue and continue and continue and continue. And also they cannot be written in the form A over B.